Hi, this is Ted from Teddy V Photos. Another box came in. Again, this is dealing with the sale that they had on Amazon Prime Week. And inside here is another TUMI bag. I briefly talked about it in my backpack review, and it came in finally today. So this is the TUMI Slim Deluxe Portfolio, and the color is anthracite. It's like a grayish color, and it's got some brown leather edging on it and some straps and some handles. So I saw it, I liked it, I purchased it. And again, because it was during Prime Sale week, it was a good price, really good price. So with that, let's go ahead and do unboxing. Already cut the box open. Did not take anything out of it yet, because again, I always want to be surprised as I'm doing it. This is my first impressions. So the first thing I notice again is maybe at the warehouse or in the box got a little dusty. TUMI emblem. Let's open it this way. Interesting. Oh yeah. So again, this is in the anthracite color, like a blackish gray. And this is the portfolio. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Look at the brown. Interesting. The handles. Luggage path through. So we'll go ahead and start this right away. So first thing is, on the back side, you have an area where you can put flat documents, and it's somewhat sealed, about maybe 10 inches. Then you have the ability to open up this zipper right here, and that gives you the capability of doing a luggage pass-through or trolley carrier, as they call it. Now, the part that really impressed me on this was this portion right here. So you have the portfolio itself, and then you have a hidden area right here. I think there's magnets, or is it on this side? No, no magnets. I thought there might be magnets. But you have a whole area here, and it goes all the way to the bottom. Good place to put stuff when you're traveling. We'll look at the front side. You have the bottom one here with some 2B paper. And it's pleated, so it has ability to expand if needed. So this side does not expand, but this side does, as you can see. Inside you have 1, 2 areas where you could put probably business cards, maybe some kind of point there, credit cards. I don't think your passport would fit in there. And then you have another organizer here. And inside here, again, you have one pouch, another one, and then you have key holder, zipper, and that's about it inside. But it's very large, as you can see. It can expand. And then we go into the inside portion. Comes with a carrying handle. Or I should say carrying strap, not handle. Then inside you have a large area to put papers. An area to put, yes, you can put a laptop or a tablet there. A place to put pens, if you can see that right there. See if I can get that right. Pens right there. Passport maybe, or phone. And credit cards or business cards there. And then let's look at the handles itself, because they are leather. Oh yeah, this is really nice. Now, one of the reasons why I think the price was so low on this is because this is like last year's model, if you want to use that word. And these are unique because notice, you have to be in a certain position for it to open. If it's like this, it won't open. It has to be lengthwise so it can open up like that to get it on there. Oh, that's a beautiful leather. And look at those beautiful handles. Oh my goodness. And like I said, this was really good price. And then we'll look at the straps real quick. Everything is great quality. And again, the color, like a chocolate brown. Very, very, very happy with this acquisition. Could not ask for something better. I think I love this part the best because I can put stuff inside here when I'm traveling. I'm looking at my iPad right now to put inside this side. This side, I'm not sure. Maybe my passport, my tickets. So again, this is the TUMI Slim Deluxe Portfolio. It will hold, we believe, up to a 15-inch. Let's try a 15-inch real quick while we're recording. I still have not fully unpacked from my trip last week. I was actually doing that, and this box came in today. So this is the Apple 15-inch. We'll put it inside, see if it can hold it. Interesting. It will hold a 15-inch laptop. At least the iPad, or correction, the MacBook Air. It is a little tight, but it fit in there. It'll close. So yes, I am really happy with this buy. Again, TUMI Slim Deluxe Portfolio in the color of anthracite, like a grayish, blackish color with the chocolate or brown leather. They are still available on Amazon, although the prices have gone up, but I would track them because I have seen the prices go down a lot lower than they are presently right now. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see ya. Bye.